Hey guys, it's me again. I'm back for another video. So for this video, we are going to revamp my living room. I kind of want to dress it up a little bit for fall, and holiday season is coming up as well, so we're really excited. Revamping any space in your house could be a little bit expensive sometimes. So what I'm doing, I just use stuff that I already have in my house, decor pieces that I used for something else, and then reuse them for a total different decor piece. So here I have this grate for a long time, and these birch branches used to sit in my dining room. And so now I'm going to stuff this grate with some blankets and pillows and just put that in one corner of my living room. It just gives me that soft and cozy ambience in my living room, and I really like it. It's very simple, didn't spend any money for this. And also adding some colors and some new texture into your shelving units in your living room will add and create a whole new feel and a whole new look. So right here I have this wooden crates in my living room, and adding some color, pops of color, some texture, this white pumpkin from the dollar store that I made myself. I included that in my last DIY video. If you want to know how to do it, just check out my previous video. You could even switch up the position of your decor pieces on the shelf just to give it a new and refreshed look for the season. We purchased a beige couch when we purchased the house, which is a big mistake, but we kind of want to stick with neutral color and earth tones for our decor. So that's why we decided to, let's go ahead and buy a beige couch with a 7-year-old and 3-year-old in the house. We will survive. No, we like to have like a comfortable feel in our living room. We don't have like any other rooms where we could hang out, watch movies. This is where everything happens, in our living room. And having a beige couch, not a good idea. We used to cover our couch with sheets that are horrible. Like, it doesn't really go with our decor and stuff. So whenever we're just home, just us, we cover it with sheets because kids are so messy. They will go on the couch with all spills and chocolates. Every time we have people around, take them off, decorate it with pillows and stuff, and we're good to go. It works for a little bit, but my husband and I was like getting sick of it. So I looked online and see what I can do. Maybe if I could purchase like a slip cover for it. But most of those stores has like super expensive slip-on covers. I only purchased the slip cover for a big couch just because I want to try it and see if it works. Then after that, if it does work, I will purchase the slip cover for a small couch. But this seller are very kind to send us the slip cover for our single chair now, and it's really cool because now it matches. It's the same product, and it just makes our living room really nice. If you're the type who switch up your decor often, this product comes in a lot more other colors. We just picked the beige because that's what match up our decor better. And but if you want any other colors, they have a lot more other colors to choose from. The product comes with the direction on how to put on the slip cover, but I get a little bit confused at first because I didn't know which side goes which. But I found a tag at the back, and that helps the putting it on a lot more easier.
It's really easy to put on. For the single chair, I did it all by myself. With the big couch that we have, it needed two people to put on, just so it's just a lot more easier. But other than that, it's easy to put on. I like how soft the material is, and I like that it clings into the couch and don't slip around. It just makes it more easier to keep it neat and tidy all the time. We also put on the slipcover onto our big couch and prop some pillow that comes with the couch when we purchase it, but I just feel like it's a little bit more plain. I kind of want to add a little bit more color and texture, and by putting blankets on the couch, prepping it with lots of blankets makes it more a little bit cozy. I found this oversized scarf and I use that as my blanket whenever we have movie nights, and it's super comfy. Prop that onto your couch and it will just add a little bit more, you know, texture and color. And who doesn't like blankets? More blankets, please. And I just prop some more blankets and pillows onto the couch, and it does look so much more comfy and cozier, and it does give my couch a little bit more of a homey feel to it, and I really like it. And that's how it looks like, and it's really easy. Just switch up stuff in your house, add a little bit more texture to your furnitures or to your shelvings, and it will look so much different and cozy.
And our living room just feels so cozy and has a lot of like fall vibe to it. So yeah, that is all for this video. I hope you guys like and enjoy this, and I will see you next time. Have a good day. Bye.